Hello everyone, so here is Weward app, the walk-in app. Um, Quite popular app in fitness where you can just connect your health app to this. And if you count your steps, you will just sync your steps into this app and then you can get rewards and claim rewards inside of this app. With Weward, every step earns you rewards. Your steps deserve more than just pat on the back. And with Weward, they get more. Whether you are walking to stay fit, uh, yeah, you can just earn rewards or give back to causes you love. Every step counts. Join 20 million rewarders already walking and earning, ready to step up. Turn your steps into real rewards. Walking has never been this rewarding. Every step brings you closer to cash, gift cards, and amazing prizes. Walking is great for your health too. Obviously, walk your way to a better health. Track your steps with a built-in pedometer. Monitor calories burned as you move. Set personal goals. Rewarders walk 24% more on average. Walking, but make it fun. Think walking is born, not with reward. Get the best deals just by walking. 500 plus brand partners ready to reward your movement. Step for a cause, work for a better planet. So you can see quite good reviews for this app. Yeah, it's a nice one. There are a bunch of other apps in this category. There is Sweat Wallet, there is Step Up. But yeah, here it is. And by the way, here is my invite code. Feel free to use it. So here is my code. You can just enter it here, and then when you enter it, you get in 150 coins for free when you create your account. So you can just get this code, experience magpie 0426. So just get that. And so then you have in settings, and then you can enter your referral code in here, or just use the link from the screen I just shared with you. So you can also do that. So yeah, feel free to do that. And that's the idea. And then basically, yeah, here is your screen. How many steps you did, and then each step converts to words. So basically, if you're doing 5,000 steps, you will get 6 words, 6 coins. If you're doing 17,000 steps, you're getting 25 coins. And then you can reach different levels. The number of steps required to reach this goal will not change until you succeed. You always keep rewards in reach. So yeah, if you just go and make this kind of steps, then you keep in your streak and you reach into the next level. So there is a lot of gamification in this app, and it can become quite addictive if you're working a lot, yeah, with this app. So then, yeah, you can find your friends. You can also just go and add your friends. You can set up your username, as you can see. And then, yeah, you can skip this step. Maybe, you can just search by username and just message people. So it's a social element. And then there is some free offers, some extra words. You can just answer some questionnaires and get some extra words. Watch and spin, get some ads, games and surveys, and you get an additional coins. Then there are some challenges. Then there are also some virtual events, and basically then on the second tab you can redeem all of that. So to redeem PayPal, so it's working, you need 7,000 words. So it's quite a lot. You can see how many are left to unlock this reward. So yeah, that's the idea. And then transfer 600 Danish krona. So it's almost like $100. It requires 13,500 words. So these are not steps, these are words. So basically you need, as you can see, 17,000 steps. It just gives you 25 words, basically. So you can calculate that this is a lot of steps you need to do. So I would say 100 days of active walking can get you somewhere, then you will be getting like 2,000, 3,000 words, and like 100, 200 days of active working. Maybe will give you this kind of reward of 40 US dollars or something like that. Yeah, so yeah, it's kind of, if you're tracking your working, you can just get that. But then there are a lot of free trials for different apps in different markets. Gifts: Apple Watch SE you can get for 50,000 coins. iPhone 15 Pro you can get 230,000. Then Amazon gift card is coming soon. Then there are free rewards from some brands, and then there is 1 month free trial for Apple Music, which you can get for free. But by the way, you can see that I earned, as you can see, 400 free words, 400 free coins in this app just by referring people. So just by using my code, as I showed in the beginning of the video, feel free to use it. You're getting 150 coins for free from me, and then you can also create this code, and then you can start earning like 50 coins each time. So this is my code. And then yeah, here is social. You can just connect with people. You can participate in challenges. The more challenges you get, the more bonuses you have. So yeah, there are some like V cards which you can then just you can then collect them, and when you collect them, you're getting additional words. So there is free pack, and then you can get these additional packs in here. So that's also quite fun, where you can just go and there walk and collect these virtual items. It's quite cool. So there you have it. And then yeah, there is your account. You can see different leagues. A lot of gamification in this app, like in Duolingo. You just need to go through it, all of the details. XP, I don't know, and then there are a lot of badges, there are a lot of challenges. And then premium, become premium member. So then there are some premium gifts, exclusive deals, daily bonus words, earn up to 15 bonus words through working, weekly bonus words, add free exclusive customer service. So also you're getting that. So yeah, that's basically the idea in here, what you're getting. And that's where you're getting. App icon, you can change it. You can enter your referral code in here, your friends, events, notifications. So, and then delete your account in the bottom as well. So quite fun app. I tried a lot of these working apps, like Sweat Wallet, like this one, and like Weward seems to be in the top 3. Definitely, it's very advanced. It's working nicely. There are no bugs. It's just a nice built app. So try it out.